Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander. Let me show you how to connect the Apple CarPlay. So let me show you how to connect iPhone to this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, and here let's find and select the settings button right here in that corner. Choose then connections. So here tap add device. All right, so now you need to go to your phone. So as I said, I will show you how to connect Apple CarPlay, but you can do similar things with the Android. So here I have my iPhone, and let's find here the settings. From the list of settings, you need to choose the Bluetooth. Make sure that you've got enabled Bluetooth, then scroll down, and here you should find Mitsubishi Motors. So let's tap here pair. Here the number is exactly the same. Let me here tap allow to sync contacts and favorites. You don't have to do this. So now the phone is connected, but now let's also enable the Apple CarPlay. Let's just tap connect. And as you can see here, you should decide, would you like to use the Apple CarPlay with this device? If yes, let's tap yes. Apple CarPlay needs to use Wi-Fi. Would you like to turn on the vehicle's Wi-Fi now? Let me tap yes. All right, as you can see, we've got the Apple CarPlay on our Mitsubishi, and here we can, for example, use the Google Maps, Apple Maps. What's also really interesting here, we've got podcast, WhatsApp, YouTube Music, Telegram. So it's quite useful to use the Apple CarPlay. You can here also change some settings. For example, driving focus, you can activate with CarPlay. Announce messages, appearance, wallpaper, silent mode, accessibility. So basically you can change some things, and if you would like to quit this mode, quit the Apple CarPlay, you just need to tap Mitsubishi and you are back in Mitsubishi system. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.